Hi, I'm Deb Kelch from Finish Well Health Coaching. It's time for cooking on the fly. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's see. Ooh, can make something Greek. Tomatoes. Yeah. Now we need a protein. Let's see. Chicken or eggs? Wow, which came first, the chicken or the egg? So here's what I have chosen. I have some Roma tomatoes, goat cheese crumbles, tzatziki, cucumber dill, eggs, some cheese. And now I have to choose between my fat. I have duck fat, and bacon grease. I think I will go with the duck fat today. Got my pan ready. I'm gonna pour some of this duck fat in here. What's great about duck fat is nothing sticks to the pan. There. I'm gonna crack my eggs. One more. Okay, I probably should have turned the heat on first. Gonna heat these up. While I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna cut some tomato. Just gonna dice it up here. If only I had some cucumber, this would be perfect. I'm going to put a lid on my pan, keep that steam in there so the eggs cook on top. Makes the yolks less runny. And now we wait. You can see it's all steamed up now. We want those yolks to turn a little bit pink. Ooh, those are looking good. So now what I'm going to do while this is still cooking is put some goat cheese. This is not a real melty cheese, but it will make it really tangy, which is what I want. Now I'm going to take my Mexican cheese and put that on top so it melts that goat cheese right in there. This is a blend of cheddar, Colby, and Monterey Jack. Put the lid back on so the cheese melts. Gonna put a little garlic salt on here, whatever seasonings you have. About 5 more minutes. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh. Now you can see the cheese is melted and the yolks are a nice pink color. That's what we're looking for. Got my plate ready. Look how easy that comes out of there. So now we have our eggs. I'm going to put the tomatoes right here. Now if I had cucumbers, I would have mixed them with these tomatoes. But I don't have any today. I might have to put those on my grocery list. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of goat cheese on them. Now I'm going to serve the tomatoes cold because it is Greek. And a lot of salt, just because I like salt. And I know this is not Greek, but I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of cilantro because that's what I have. I'm going to take my sauce here. Look at that. Now, since I have these ingredients left, I can make this same meal again tomorrow and use the chicken. This is what I was talking about when I said choose your ingredients wisely and you can use them throughout the week to make different meals. Now I can make this same meal again with the chicken, or if I have another meat, if I have beef or lamb, that would be excellent. But I don't have that right now. I do have scallops. I could make something out of that. And now I'm ready to eat.